In the world, throughout the history, there have been some turning points. I don't mean someone's birthday, job, or marriage, or those that changed the history like the Crusades, discovery of America, or the man's first step on the moon. Not even a nuclear explosion. What if we realize there has been some turning points that have changed everyone's destiny? Here what matters is not only a human, but humanity. I call them the moments of light and darkness. When it's light, the world turns into a better place. But when it gets dark, about 1400 years ago, all forces of darkness united, and when darkness thrives, bad things will follow. They began by attacking a sacred woman. They lit fire, invaded her house, hurt her badly, and murdered her expected baby. The cruelty that started that day has continued till the present time. The prophet's daughter, the pure light, was martyred for her faith in the Imam of her time. What are you doing for yours?